In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install plugins in GoHighLevel. Plugins let you extend GoHighLevel with extra features, integrations, and automations, and installing them only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact flow from selecting a plugin to authorizing it for the right subaccount, along with tips to avoid common snags. Start inside any subaccount you're working on. From there, switch to Agency View. You can do this using the account switcher at the top of the screen. Agency View is where the marketplace lives and where you control which subaccounts receive the plugin. If you don't see the option to switch, make sure your user has agency-level permissions. Once you're in Agency View, open the App Marketplace. This is the central catalog for apps and plugins that work with GoHighLevel. You can browse categories or use the search bar to find what you need. Choose a plugin you like to open its details page. Take a moment to review the description, features, pricing, and permissions it requests. Look for notes on compatibility and installation scope, especially if the plugin will access contacts, calendars, or pipelines. This is also a good spot to check reviews and update history to confirm the plugin is actively maintained. When you're ready, click Install. If the plugin has a paid plan, you may see pricing information or a plan selector here. Continue to the install flow, where you'll be asked to choose where the plugin should be enabled. Select the subaccount you want to install the plugin to by checking the box next to it. If you manage multiple subaccounts, you can target just the ones that need the functionality. Double-check you're selecting the correct workspace, especially if several subaccounts have similar names. Click. Continue to review your choices. This screen typically summarizes the permissions being granted and the subaccount selection. It's a quick final check before authorization. Finish by clicking Allow and Install. This authorizes the plugin to access the selected subaccount with the permissions shown and completes the setup. After a moment, you should see a confirmation that the installation was successful. From here, you'll find the plugin listed in the marketplace under your installed apps, and inside the chosen subaccount, it may appear under Integrations, Settings, or as its own menu item, depending on the provider. If it doesn't show up immediately, refresh the page. If you run into access issues, confirm you're in Agency View and that your role has the right permissions. And that's it. Your plugin is installed and ready to use.